Find a comfortable place to settle. It doesn't have to be perfect. A chair, the floor, the edge of your bed, wherever you are right now, that's exactly the right place. You've been doing a lot. Your mind has been working hard, holding dates, formulas, deadlines, and underneath all of that, there's a kind of pressure, a weight that's been sitting quietly in your chest all day. You don't need to fix it right now. You just need to rest. So close your eyes if that feels comfortable, or simply soften your gaze downward. Let your shoulders drop just a little, and take one slow breath in and let it go. Good. You're here now. That's all that's needed. Let's begin at the top of your body and slowly work our way down. Bring your attention to your forehead. You may not have noticed how much is held there. The subtle furrowing between the brows, the slight squinting from hours of reading. Let it soften now. Imagine the skin there becoming smooth, like the surface of still water. And your jaw. For so many of us, the jaw carries everything. Let it drop, just slightly. Let your teeth part. Let your tongue rest easy in your mouth. There is nothing you need to say right now. Nothing you need to figure out. Now your neck and your shoulders, the place where so much of the day gets stored. Let your shoulders fall away from your ears, down, back, loose. If they want to drop a little further, let them. Feel the weight of your arms now, heavy and warm. You don't need to hold them up. You don't need to hold anything up right now. Take another slow breath in and out. Now bring your awareness to your chest. This is where the anxiety often lives, that tight, contracted feeling, like something is bracing itself, waiting. Let it know the waiting is over just for now. With every exhale, imagine that tightness dissolving, slowly, gently, like ice sitting in warm water. Your heart is beating steadily, quietly. That rhythm has been with you all day, through every revision session, every moment of doubt. It hasn't stopped, and it's slowing now. Move your attention down to your stomach. When we carry anxiety, the belly is often held tightly, almost braced. Allow it to soften, Let it expand on your next inhale. You don't have to hold yourself together right now. You are safe here. Your lower back now. If you've been sitting at a desk, this area has been working quietly in the background, holding you upright, keeping you going. Give it your attention and your gratitude. Let the surface beneath you hold you completely. The chair, the floor, the cushion. You don't have to do anything, just be held. Your thighs and knees, heavy now. Your calves, still. The soles of your feet, resting. From the top of your head to the tips of your toes, your body is here. It carried you through today, and right now, it only needs to rest. Now, gently, let your mind follow your body. Imagine you're sitting somewhere quiet, not somewhere grand or distant, somewhere small, familiar, a window seat perhaps, a corner of a library, a bench in a garden where the light falls softly between the leaves. The air here is cool and still. There are no books open in front of you, no tabs, no timers, no revision cards, just the quiet. In front of you is something warm to hold. A cup of tea, perhaps. You can feel the gentle heat rising from it. You don't need to do anything with it. Just notice it's there. And just beyond where you're sitting, there's a sound, soft and distant. Rain on leaves, perhaps, or wind moving slowly through grass. You've been working hard. You may not feel like it's been enough. You may be carrying the fear that it won't be. But in this moment, you have done what you could, and that is real. That counts. Let the quiet of this place hold that truth for you. You are more than your results. You are more than this season. Rest here just a little longer. When you're ready, begin to bring your awareness back to the room around you. Notice the sounds nearby, the feeling of whatever is beneath you. Take one more slow breath in and let it go. Gently open your eyes. You've done something kind for yourself today, and that matters, not just for how you feel, but for everything you're working toward. You are capable. You are more prepared than you know, and you are allowed to rest. Take your time before returning to your work. I'll be here whenever you need